destination is on the left.
Hey y'all. So today we are visiting the hamburger joint down here in Old San Juan. El Hamburger. So we gonna check it out. Did we? Well, one good thing is this table that we're at right here, close to the door, you get a good water view. Here's the water. Ooh, my goodness gracious. Gracias. Oh my goodness.
It's got to be some of the fastest service we've had since we've been in Puerto Rico. And it looks great.
Know about the service.
This has got to be the fastest service we had since we've been in Puerto Rico.
Oh yeah. They're not on island time here.
It is.
Alright, we finna get into this.
Listen, we receive for the rest of our life.
Oh, what's this? Amen. So, I know my hubby thinks that I'm weird sometimes when I do this, but it was a big, thick ball, so I had to cut mine in half. But I would say this is a pretty good burger. You get to build it yourself, and he definitely thought his was good. Not bad.
Yep.
And the Cokes are good, so I would say this is definitely a win. Full bellies.
Yep. Delicious.
Hit the spot.
Yep, yep.
Especially those French fries. Oh, so good. Yeah, they are a little, but filling. Alrighty. So apparently this is the street you come down to do all the shopping, because I got everything from diamonds to 99-cent store, t-shirts. This is supposed to be the street with the umbrellas hanging down, but they've taken them down. Yeah, we're not here. But you can definitely get a lot of shopping and some food done here. So the street that we are on with all the shopping is just catty corner to the fort. So just come right by that I love SJ sign, and down on the same thing as the Jose Julian Acosta School. Yeah, that's the first fort. So that's that on it. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. this is in San Juan.
It's Ashford Avenue.
Ashford Avenue. Oh, yeah. I would kind of call this like Chinatown of Puerto Rico as far as like all of the restaurants. It's so many different Chinese and Asian inspired restaurants on this street. So if you come down here and you're looking for some Chinese food, some ramen, some sushi, Japanese, anything like that, man, they had it all on this street, Ashford Avenue. So that's it. A lot of hotels too, and a Starbucks, and a little fruit juice bar. But definitely got a huge selection. Oh, the bridge. What's this bridge? Because oh, it's a beach down there too. Oh, cool. Yeah, we've been trying to get across this bridge since we've been here. We passed it so many times.
It's a nice bridge.
Yeah. We saw some kids over on the other side.
Jumping off the bridge. Over into the canal. There. Yep, into the canal. I was like, go ahead, brave souls. Anyway, today is, what is today? Wednesday? Yes.
It's a Wednesday. I didn't see any cruise ships in the port today.
Yes, it was.
It was?
Running back. Yeah, I'm looking at one right now.
Oh!
It's a big old ship.
Never mind. It just didn't seem as crowded as it was last Wednesday we were down here. So, but it did. Like I said, it rained a little bit earlier. But it's blue skies today, right now.
Looking at the volume of people, you can tell it's a cruise ship.
Yeah.
You know, because even with being, this ain't quite tourist season.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so,
not a peak season.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a whole lot of people like it was.
Yeah.
It was like, when we went to a couple places, like, people are there, but they're not.
Mm-hmm.
Like, globs of people.
Mm-hmm.
Crowds, not globs.
People are not globs. All right. So we got bubble tea, dim sum, Chinese food, Oriental food and arts, hotels. Munchy burger, stop and go, red mango, Lincoln's Cafe, cigar lounge, the oyster shack, Cosan over on that side. It's a little beach over there.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Must be fun.
Right here at the Condado Plaza, Hilton Garden Inn. All right, made a quick little salmon and chickpea and orzo, again, pasta for dinner tonight. It's gonna be delicious. Look, my husband can't even wait. Let's go. Hey, hey, y'all! Look at my door. Woo! All right.
Bad idea.
Well, we don't have the RV with us, so we can't say it's dump day, but it is laundry day. So we've been here for a few weeks now, which means we built up some laundry, even though we don't have a lot of clothes, but it's time to wash those clothes. And we did some research, found a little laundromat not too far from here. So we are going to head on up there, and we're gonna take y'all with us. See y'all on the flip side. So the last laundromat we went to was pretty packed, so we switched to another one. TWO Laundromat. They had good reviews too, so let's check it out. No. Okay.
You want one small or two large?
One.
I think
You want
one is
one large?
Mm-hmm.
large. No.
No, it's okay. Okay.
Okay. And just like that, we're finished. That's Carla back there. She's very, very nice, very sweet, very helpful to us. And it only took about, what, about an hour? That's about an hour to do this.
Minutes.
We're headed out. See y'all in a minute. Got our laundry done and came out here just to treat ourselves to just a little relaxation. Sit out here and write and enjoy. It's so pretty out here. A lot different than the last time we was out here when it was raining. Oh, you see some fish? So anyway, got a little setup right there. So just gonna breathe it in a little bit. We'll finish the rest of our breakfast. Hey guys, our last little restaurant stop of our time here, Gaby's Burgers. This place is right up the street from where we are staying, so finally decided to come check it out. There it is. All right, we gonna get into it. I ordered the veggie burger with all the fixings and some truffle fries, but I'm gonna eat the sweet potato fries. And Lenny got a half-pound burger. We about chubby. Must be good. Alright. It's a good burger. Good veggie burger.
We had to come inside because it was windy out there to enjoy this thing.
the bed do not hello. With the way that she move, with it.
Computer bag, backpack purchase. All to the seat in front of you unless you're sitting in front of a wall.
With it she vibe, she must be from Sapeleo. When she roll up slowly, it a bouncy like Peleleo. But the boy is a player, the boy be like Peleleo, Peleleo. Low-key, high. Yeah, oh my low-key, me. Show you like low-key, high. Yeah, oh my low-key, boy. But girl, you too fine, you too bad, you too sweet, though. For tonight we go to Puerto Rico, yeah. Girl, you too fine, you too bad, you too sweet, though. For tonight we go to Puerto Rico.